Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix your ROBOROCK Saros Z70 not turning on. If it's not turning on, then after pressing and holding on the power button, of course, then dock it in the dock like it is right now. If that didn't help, then make sure that your dock is powered on. So make sure it's plugged into power. A light should light up on top of it. If it doesn't, try using a different cable or a different power outlet. Then, if that didn't help, make sure to clean the charging contacts on the robot and the dock. So I'll remove the robot from the station. You can see these are charging pins, these two silver ones. Make sure they are clean. Hold on, I'll need to pause the robot. There are two charging pins on the back of the robot. Make sure to clean them. Also clean the sensor for the base. Then unplug the base from power, and when the light turns off, then it has no power and you will be able to start cleaning the silver contacts on the inside of the station. Once it's all cleaned, you can now try docking your robot manually by trying to insert it all the way in. It shouldn't be that hard.
Charging.
Yeah, in my case it works. If it doesn't, then also if your robot was, try leaving it for at least half an hour. But if your robot was exposed to very cold temperatures for a pretty long time, or it was just not used for a long time. If it was exposed to cold temperatures, don't put it in the dock station. Let it sit for a few hours so it gets the room temperature and then start charging it. But if it was just laying around somewhere discharged for a long time, then you may want to just simply let it charge for a bit longer than half an hour. And that should fix the issue. If it didn't, try contacting the customer service. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.